Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... I think this here is my target for the day. It could very well be that guy there. It's supposed to be the bluffs overlooking Vaseux Lake. This is Vaseux Lake. I am in the bird observatory. And there is some interesting scenes around here. This is kind of way south. There's where I'm from. Probably about an hour and a half's drive. And the boardwalk is where most of the action kind of happens. A lot of times you gotta just keep moving. Look at the wind. Like, that's feeling excessive. This little enclosed marshy area. There goes something. That just came swooping in. Gonna look for some fish and some frogs. It'd be neat to see if I could catch him getting something. Right now he's probably got a little bit of stage fright. Pretty much at the end of the trail. So I think I'll just say goodbye. And I'll see you when we start conquering the bigger guy. Alright, let's do it to it. I'm just going to do this walk one more time, but I am going to do it with a smaller lens. Now, we got a whole bunch of interesting information here about what to expect out here. And I think you get the cutest picture ever of some screech owls. And a website to check out if you need to find more of these kind of protected areas. Now, I think we're in the middle of hurricane season here. The rain's coming down. And the wind is picking up pretty hard. Yeah, some signage. Coranton, poison ivory in the area. Oh, maybe they poison the ivory so hunters won't come after it. That's kind of smart, I think. And just so you can see what I'm talking about, how pretty this area is, I really do want to put my feet on top of that. Put my stanky boots on top of that thing. This is a cute little boardwalk. So maybe that guy. I guess it could kind of be that guy. Or maybe that guy. It's supposed to be over a 10-kilometer hike. And the elevation change is about 150 meters, maybe a little more, but thereabouts. And the elevation gain is supposed to be 360 something. So you're pretty much doubling the up and down portion of it. So you're basically climbing the thing twice, which I think will be enjoyable. I'm not gonna complain about it in any such way. Second floor. Privacy door. Definite custom handle. I could tell you tibia or fibia, but I might be fibbing to you. Like, I mean, it gives off some good haunted, you know, serial killer vibe, but I like it. It's cute. Yeah, I'm a little more convinced it's this guy instead of that guy just because of the height distance right now. But they did mention a lookout that branched off on the other side of it, so that's got a good chance of being either this upper guy here or this lower branch here. It's not very often you get to kind of scope out what you might be doing on a trail that you've never done before. We were planning on doing Big White potentially, but there's a bike race up there and they're open until the 11th, so we got a little time. I want to do that one. This guy way in the back could be tasty, you never know. But look at that weather coming in. I did say 70% chance of rain. You see these guys down here? I'm getting dizzy. Actually, I am a little bit dizzy. Stop invasive species in your tracks. Remove plants, animals, and mud from your boots, gear, pets, and vehicle. I don't know how many animals I had to remove. Clean your gear before entering and leaving the recreation site using the boot brush provided. Somewhere. Stay on designated trailage. I don't know. I'm not a designated driver. I did check my boots. They do seem to be pretty decent. So this is the start of the trail. The Vaseux Bluffs trail. Looks like it could be in for a little bit of weather, but could also turn out nice. You never know, right? So nothing to it but to do it to it. the white pads as if it's alkali or something. The bottom of this old root system. Not too bad. Kind of doesn't show the existence of humanity, really. Which is kind of nice in its own little way. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Workout pause.
Then we're coming through Old Stumpy, around a great rock bend here. Good old Grumpy Stumpy. Oh.
Workout pause.
There was a guy who gave this trail a 1 star. Like,
Workout visit.
this is at least 2 by now. You guys are probably not going to be able to see this, but out here on that little green patch are a pack of mooses or mises or however you do it. Bears? Oh, I thought you said moose.
No, a sow and 2 cubs.
Yeah. And what's a mother moose? Yeah? You want to go meet them? We are 3 kilometers in. We did take a bit of a detour at a sign where it said, "Go east, old man." I don't think that was too far, but it did eat up most of a kilometer. The trail is supposed to be 10 point something long, so 5 point something to the end, and they had a bit of a diversion as well. I don't know whose was longer, but who knows. So this guy could be 2 to 3 kilometers to the end here. And there's a mountain peak there that I'm wondering if we get to, because I think we have to do twice the height. The sign said, "Go east, old man," and I'm pretty much an old man, so I went east. Today's flavor, peppermint mango. Oh, it's not even a dance for us. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I think we might be near something spectacular. So far we've had this hike entirely to ourselves. We've seen people at the bottom.
Workout resumed.
I am gonna sleep good tonight. And what I want to do is sneak around this ridge a bit, because that was a fair distance behind me. Hi! Almost.
Workout resumed.
I don't know if she has any idea the distance I cleared between there. To her it looks like I've just gone a little ways up. Can't be too much further, right? Oh, nice. Well, ain't that a little happy reward? This is just cool. Little pocket of grass. Oh, this just feels nice. If this is the viewpoint I make it today, I think I'll call that a win. Oh, yeah. Well, Vaseux Lake's down there, but not the view I wanted of it. Okay, well, let's rest up, shall we? Just shy of the 6-meter mark, 822 meters. Finally got cell service, and we're off quite a bit. This looks like it loops, but for now we're gonna head back the way we came and take the 007 out. I think that'll be the nicest way to get out of here. And we'll have a little bit of a unique part of the trail we haven't seen before. But that's okay. There is a whole ton of trails up here. It is totally worth it to check them all out. This is our first time around this trail, and I'd do it again. I might go a little further. We're about to go through the grass again. Some's been sleeping here. Here you can see 3 trees growing together. Kinda neat. But one was definitely obviously here first, and the other 2 are just trying to muscle in on his territory. And the sun is coming out, and it's feeling nice and warm. The grasshoppers are certainly happy out here. We're right off 007. We made it to Groovy Bob. We're heading back down that. This is where we saw the bears. So hopefully nothing surprises us on the way back. It should be long gone, but you never know. We did make it to, probably 830, 840 meters. So that's higher than we were expecting by almost 100 meters. We parked around 600. I think the first kilometer marker chimed in at 599. So it could be as low as 550 or so. Maybe I'll take a peek when we get there. This was a very, very beautiful hike. I quite enjoyed it. I think I would like to come back and challenge some other routes. And I'd also like to complete this loop. I think it will be worth it. But we shall see. I'll have to switch to an electric vehicle for that. Heading down the trestles. Or the KVR anyway. But This might be fun on the fisheye. We're on the lookout for gulls. So yell out if you see any.
Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I knew